So one of the reasons why we decided that TypeScript needed to be a superset of the ECMAScript standard was that it could benefit from the evolution of the open web and open source and kind of the standards that were evolving very, very rapidly at the time, and all of the frameworks that were evolving as well. But even more importantly, we also had to make it open source. And the reason for that was that developers, especially JavaScript developers at the time, really expected all of the frameworks that they took a dependency on to be open source. It started with jQuery, but then there were multiple generations after that, Lodash, and, we can all think about the different early module systems that existed in JavaScript. But it was just the expectation that anything that you would take a dependency on would be open source. And what we found in those early days was that actually collaborating very closely with the most popular JavaScript frameworks actually made TypeScript a better programming language, because we had rapid feedback cycles from, ironically, the Angular team from Google that were actually rapidly developing Angular 1 and 2. And they were giving us feedback as to how to make TypeScript a lot better. But then from there, it just continued. We worked with the Vue team and the React team and just many different versions of various client frameworks later. Ultimately, that's part of what made TypeScript great.